Welcome to your comprehensive guide to Kcentra, the revolutionary blood clotting treatment that is unlocking key benefits for patients around the world. In this video, we will delve into the incredible advantages of Kcentra, providing you with a detailed understanding of this life-saving medication. Kcentra, a brand new breakthrough in the field of blood clotting treatments, has been changing the lives of countless individuals affected by conditions such as bleeding or clotting disorders. With its unique formulation and cutting-edge technology, Kcentra offers a highly effective solution for patients in need of rapid clotting factor replacement. Understanding blood clotting disorders. Blood clotting disorders, also known as coagulation disorders, are conditions that affect the body's ability to form blood clots. Clotting is a vital process that helps prevent excessive bleeding when blood vessels are damaged. However, when this process is impaired, it can lead to serious health complications. There are various types of blood clotting disorders, including hemophilia, von Willebrand disease, and factor deficiencies. These conditions can be inherited or acquired, and they often require medical intervention to manage the symptoms and prevent complications. Traditional treatments for blood clotting disorders have been available for many years, but they have their limitations. Traditional blood clotting treatments. Traditional treatments for blood clotting disorders typically involve the administration of clotting factor concentrates. These concentrates are derived from human plasma or produced using recombinant DNA technology. They contain the specific clotting factors that are deficient or dysfunctional in individuals with clotting disorders. Clotting factor concentrates are usually administered through intravenous infusion and can be time-consuming, requiring multiple infusions over several hours. While they have been effective in managing bleeding episodes, they may not provide rapid clotting factor replacement, leading to delays in achieving optimal clotting. Furthermore, traditional treatments often require careful monitoring and adjustment of dosages, which can be challenging for patients and healthcare providers. Additionally, these treatments may carry a risk of transmitting infectious diseases, although modern screening processes have significantly reduced this risk. The limitations of traditional treatments. While traditional treatments have been the standard of care for blood clotting disorders for many years, they have certain limitations that can impact patient outcomes. One of the major challenges is the time it takes to achieve optimal clotting. In emergency situations, such as severe bleeding or trauma, rapid clotting factor replacement is crucial. However, traditional treatments may not provide the speed necessary to prevent life-threatening complications. This delay can result in prolonged bleeding, increased risk of organ damage, and even death. Another limitation of traditional treatments is the complex dosing and monitoring requirements. The need for frequent blood tests to assess clotting factor levels and adjust dosages can be burdensome for patients and may lead to delays in treatment initiation. Additionally, the risk of infectious disease transmission, although low, remains a concern. Introducing Kcentra, how it works and its benefits. Kcentra is a revolutionary blood clotting treatment that addresses the limitations of traditional therapies. It is a unique formulation of clotting factors that offers rapid clotting factor replacement, making it an invaluable tool in emergency situations. Unlike traditional treatments that require multiple infusions over several hours, Kcentra can be administered in a single dose, significantly reducing treatment time. Its rapid clotting factor replacement properties allow patients to achieve optimal clotting faster, minimizing the risk of complications and improving outcomes. Kcentra works by replenishing the missing or dysfunctional clotting factors in individuals with clotting disorders. It contains a balanced mix of clotting factors 2, 7, X, and X, along with antithrombin and protein C. This comprehensive combination ensures effective clotting factor replacement and helps restore normal coagulation processes. Key benefits of Kcentra for patients. The benefits of Kcentra extend beyond its rapid clotting factor replacement properties. One of the key advantages is its ability to minimize the risk of complications associated with bleeding or clotting disorders. By restoring optimal clotting, Kcentra helps prevent excessive bleeding, reduces the need for blood transfusions, and promotes faster wound healing. Another benefit of Kcentra is its convenience for patients. The single-dose administration significantly reduces treatment time and eliminates the need for multiple infusions. This allows patients to spend less time in medical facilities and more time focusing on their daily lives, improving their overall quality of life. Furthermore, Kcentra has been shown to be effective in a wide range of clotting disorders, including hemophilia, von Willebrand disease, and factor deficiencies. Its versatility makes it a valuable treatment option for a variety of patients, regardless of the underlying cause of their clotting disorder. Real-life success stories and testimonials. The impact of Kcentra on patients' lives can be best understood through real-life success stories and testimonials. Individuals who have experienced the benefits of this revolutionary treatment have reported remarkable improvements in their health and well-being. One such success story is Sarah, a young woman diagnosed with severe von Willebrand disease. Prior to starting Kcentra, Sarah experienced frequent bleeding episodes that significantly impacted her daily life. Since beginning treatment with Kcentra, she has noticed a dramatic reduction in bleeding episodes and a significant improvement in her overall quality of life. These success stories highlight the life-changing benefits that Kcentra can provide to individuals with blood clotting disorders. The ability to prevent complications, reduce treatment time, and improve overall well-being have made Kcentra a game-changer in the medical community. Safety and side effects of Kcentra. As with any medication, Kcentra does carry certain safety considerations and potential side effects. It is important for patients and healthcare providers to be aware of these factors to ensure safe and effective treatment. Common side effects of Kcentra may include headache, nausea, vomiting, and fever. These side effects are generally mild and resolve on their own. However, it is essential to consult with a healthcare provider if these side effects persist or worsen. Serious side effects of Kcentra are rare but can occur. These may include allergic reactions, blood clots, and fluid overload. It is crucial to seek immediate medical attention if any signs of a severe allergic reaction or blood clotting event, such as chest pain, shortness of breath, or swelling of the limbs, are observed. How to access Kcentra and find a healthcare provider. If you or a loved one has a blood clotting disorder and are interested in exploring Kcentra as a treatment option, it is important to consult with a healthcare provider. They can evaluate your specific condition, discuss the benefits and risks of Kcentra, and determine if it is the right choice for you. To access Kcentra, you will need a prescription from a healthcare provider. They will guide you through the process of obtaining the medication and provide instructions on its administration. It is crucial to follow their guidance and attend regular checkups to monitor your response to treatment and adjust dosages if necessary. Conclusion: the future of blood clotting treatment with Kcentra. In conclusion, Kcentra is a revolutionary blood clotting treatment that offers key benefits for patients with bleeding or clotting disorders. Its rapid clotting factor replacement properties, convenience, and proven efficacy make it a game-changer in the medical community. By addressing the limitations of traditional therapies, Kcentra provides patients with the opportunity for faster clotting, reduced risk of complications, and improved quality of life. Real-life success stories and testimonials highlight the positive impact this treatment can have on individuals' lives. If you or someone you love is affected by a blood clotting disorder, it is important to explore all available treatment options. Discussing Kcentra with a healthcare provider can provide valuable insights and help determine if it is the right choice for you. With Kcentra, the future of blood clotting treatment is brighter than ever before. Thanks for watching.